I think it's a very positive show. They've grown over the years, obviously. It's very good, you know, they changed these locations because people really like, and of course, you know, in Europe it's very easy to travel around, so it's a great way to see, you know, different cities and different cultures, and also to see the local markets.
We do get people from Asia, even at EAS. We do get people from the United States. And with scheduling all the appointments, there's a huge market in Europe. And customer base, we also have a great market in Europe, so we feel that it's basically worldwide visitors.
We do many trade shows, and the European show is a real special occasion for us. Going to different venues, different cities, makes the show very special. It's an opportunity to meet local operators and customers and those from a wider region, so it's always a highlight in our calendar.